That is awesome.
Elio, are you gonna push Ezra? Come on. Let's go for a little walk.
It's probably heavier than usual.
Yeah, it is.
Keep going.
Keep walking. Go to mama.
Come on, honey. Eliora. Eliora.
It's gonna scare her. I think I scared her once before.
Keep pushing.
I just remembered
Well, you better turn. You're gonna hit the table.
You can steer that thing. How cute is that? That's the cutest thing.
Oh, back
Gonna
it
go
up.
back.
Back it up. Beep. Beep.
What are you gonna do now? Can you go
Oh,
back?
that's so nice. Very nice of
It's like
you.
us skating backwards. It's like me skating backwards. I have no idea.
Here, we'll turn you so you can keep walking. Boom.
Here you go.
Okay, are you all done? Are you all done? That was fun.